Protective coatings are the best way to preserve and protect your car's surfaces. Most people wax their cars and hate that they have to do it all the time. I don't want to wax my car all the time, neither do you, right? Protective coatings have been around for at least the last 10 years, and they're fast becoming the go-to protection, especially for newer vehicles. And where waxes fall short, coatings excel by protecting all the different surfaces of your vehicle, like plastic trim, windows, wheels, fabric, even the leather. And in 10-15 years, coatings are going to be the norm, just like traditional waxes were the go-to protective product in the 50s, 60s, 70s, even before that. Even car manufacturers are catching on, and cars are leaving the dealerships with some type of paint protection on the surface of the vehicle, which just gets rolled into your financing. And the car industry, just like the world around us, is constantly changing, and either you can change with it or not, get left behind and struggle with finding ways to protect your vehicle. Our aim is to find the best way to protect our vehicles, and we can do that with products that offer superior protection with better, longer lasting results, saving us time and money. So if you're ready to make that change, check the description below for our contact information. Schedule your car care review. We'll take a look at your car and see if there's any way we can help you make your life a little bit easier through detailing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to clean, protect, and maintain your vehicle. I'll see you soon.